Research question: is there significant evidence that shows Central students' mobile screen time is greater than Central teachers' mobile screen time? How often do you see the screen time report every week and wonder how you do compare to others? Now with our research, we can actually tell how we compare to the rest of our friends. Do adults, teachers, actually use their phone less? There are also lots of report about the cons of screen time. It led us to wonder how much do people use on average and does it differ by occupation at Central, student versus teacher. So, we will conduct a 2-sample t-test for the difference of means. First, we went to Central's staff list on their website. Then we filtered for teachers only. Each teacher was assigned a number based on alphabetical order and we would then use a random number generator to pick 48 teachers. We checked the screen time ourselves because some teachers wouldn't know how to check/report the wrong things. At first, we were going to do a more complex sampling process, however, we were on a clock. We decided to do a random sample of students instead. We would select students at random and ask to see their screen time during different periods and even senior prom.
Unfortunately, it is mathematically impossible to satisfy both the large sample conditions and 10% condition for teachers because 10% of 108 is 10.8. We definitely need a larger sample than 11 to get an idea.
We sampled 90 students. Since Central has around 2,000 students, 10% of 2,000 is 200. Our sample size passes this condition. Since both 48 and 90 are greater than 30, we can assume that the true average screen time of students and the true average screen time of teachers is approximately normal.
Is it recording? Okay, we need your screen time.
Screen time?
Yes. So we can compare teachers, Central teachers, and Central students' screen time usage.
Weekly or daily?
Last week.
Last week's? It was like
No, you gotta pull out your phone.
It was like 6 hours and 43 minutes.
We have one right here. Yeah, last week. 5 hours and 33 minutes, guys.
I can't get my phone.
You guys are terrible. How's it going to doing? Stop.
At alpha equals 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis that Central students and Central teachers have a similar screen time. The p-value of 1.386 x 10 to the power of -6 is less than 0.05. This means that if the null hypothesis was true, there would be a 1.386 x 10 to the power of -6 chance of receiving these sample means. We have significant evidence that Central students' screen time is greater than Central teachers. Issues for discussion. Out of the 48 teachers we asked, 6 could not respond because they didn't have their screen time on. This also happened with many students we asked. Some students and teachers used their computers more instead, so their screen time was actually higher if it's for all technological devices. This may have influenced the numbers we saw. We had to violate a condition of independence during our sampling of teachers to gather enough data.